Hi, welcome back. We're on another bonus lesson. This one's called the reverse dip pour. I'm reusing my workspace from a previous pour. I didn't want to clean up just so I can make it messy again. I am using some Craft Smart paints in this, neon yellow, neon pink, and I'm mixing the same way I've done throughout the whole course. Peacock blue. Put the paint in the cup until it gets to the bottom of that print line on the cup. Pour my pouring medium in about halfway to start. And then we'll start mixing. And this reverse dip is a fun. We did the canvas dip earlier. And this is similar, but it's reverse. And I'll show you what that means just as soon as we get these mixed up. And I didn't have any reason for picking these out other than I haven't used these two neons and this peacock before together. I thought it'd be fun to experiment with. Because learning is experimenting. So go out of your color zones, pick what you think that you wouldn't like. You'd be surprised. Okay. Look at there. Perfect. I'm going to take my black paint and edges, corners, and then, oh, I'm running out. Hang on real quick. Let me grab another. I always have a backup. Here we go. One of the worst things you can do is run out of paint and not have a backup. So there's that. I'm going to use my finger. Spread it all along. So I hope you're enjoying this course. Please let me know. I would love some feedback. If I've explained things properly, if you have questions, I have a private Facebook group set up specifically for this course. And it's just to help everyone grow and learn. If there's anything you would like to see added, let me know. I am going to do future courses. Another one I'm working on are more advanced techniques. I'm super excited about that because the advanced techniques can get a little tricky, and through the accidents and mistakes, new techniques are formed. So it's super fun to do. Okay, got everything covered. I'm going to start. Make sure I'm mixed up and clean off my sticks so that they're not in your way. I'm going to clean them off, set them aside, let them dry, and then reuse them. Okay, got our peacock blue. I'm going to just drizzle. And then our neon yellow, and I pinched it to make a little spout. Oh, look at that yellow. And neon pink. Wow, super bright, huh? It's getting more color spread out everywhere. Any order, any fashion, any way you desire. You can do little spots if you want. You can do drizzles. You can drizzle with your stick. So many possibilities. This reminds me of 1980s when I was in junior high. Roller skating. Glow-in-the-dark roller skating. Glow-in-the-dark bowling. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. Okay, that looks pretty covered. So now I'm gonna grab, these are the tearaway napkin paper towels. I'm gonna get one. Taking two means it's gonna cover. I'm not ready to place it down yet. I'm gonna get some bottled water. I'm just gonna fold it into fours. You can pre-do this, go in the faucet in the kitchen sink, that's fine. I'm just gonna pour some water onto here. I just wanna saturate it. I don't want it soaking wet. It just needs to be, you know, damp. Okay, looks good. Now, see, damp. I'm just gonna place it on top of the canvas and let it start soaking up the paint. I don't really want to press too hard. There's some areas, I don't know if you can see, it's not touching. So I just want to make sure my paper towel is touching. Don't push too hard. Let me set the cap on this. Alrighty, here we go. Now I'm going to fold up this corner to the middle. Fold up this corner to the middle. Fold up this corner. Look how cool that is. Can you start seeing it? Now I'm going to just pull straight up and kind of catch it with my hand so it doesn't drip everywhere. Look at that. Woo! Did not use any silicone in this. Any cells that are forming because of the air bubbles in the paints. And it's gonna do its own thing. So I'm gonna do a little torch. See those pop in? Those are just the air bubbles from us working it. And when they pop, they push the paint around and cells start forming. Look at that. Crazy, huh? Isn't that super fun? It's one of my favorite techniques. It's least expected. So when you put the paint on, try putting it on different ways. Drizzle it on like I did. Pour it on. Use your imagination. Have fun with it. I'm just going to get these sides a little more covered. Get some of this paint off the canvas if I can without ruining my design integrity, because I really like it. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this. I hope you learned something new and I hope you had fun learning. We will see you soon. Bye.